Hey, what up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if this is your first time being here, I would like and plead with you to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification button. So, today we are going to be talking about how to identify trends in the market, right? How to trade as though you are a price action trader, right? That's what I trade to, and that's what I do, and that's what I want to teach now. So, and also we are going to also be talking about factors that you should consider before trading, right? Things you have to do before trading, right? So first of all, right, if you are coming into the market, come with a clear mindset, with a calm mindset, with a clear mentality. Don't come here when your mental state is bad, you need money quickly, you are in a bad condition, your emotions are not high, your vibe is not on the top notch side. Don't come into the market if you are struggling emotionally or something. Don't come into the market with that. You can as well meditate. Always do pray before even picking up your laptop, your phone, or anything before you start to trade, iPad or anything before you start to trade, because it works. Meditate before you work. Most people go to school to work. I know you guys go to school, you guys go to work, and you pray before going. So apply the same thing here. I personally listen to a lot of gospel songs before coming here. You can also listen to hip hop, whatever calms your nerves down, ready, motivates you to start to trade, to start to make the bag. Like, do anything for that. Once you're not selling, it's fine, right? It's fine. So first of all, you have to be in a good state, right, mentally, before coming to this chat, right? Two, you have to also have a plan, right? Have a plan. Okay, today I'm coming into this market to make $1,000. Today I'm coming into this market to make $100. Today I'm coming into this market to make $200, $300. That's my goal for today. Stick to that goal. When you get that $200, you hop out of the chart. That means you've closed for the day. If if your plan is today I can take a loss of $50, today I can take a loss of $500, today I can take a loss of $300, though I want $1,000, but if I take a loss of $300, I'm going to stop trading. That means you took an L that day, right? Trading is sometimes you come into the market hoping to make profit, but you end up losing, right? It's part of the game. That's why I first of all said, come with a clear conscience, come with a clear mindset, right? And have a plan. Know that, okay, before I pick this trade, before I trade on this pair, I have seen this, I've seen that, some slight factors before I pick this trade, before I trade on this pair. I've seen this, and if it doesn't go well, I'm taking my loss here. If it goes well, I'm going to take my TP there. Blah 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 blah. You know what you are really doing. So have a plan before you start to trade. Now, after having a plan, right, you pick up your laptop, you pick up your phone, right? You now have to identify the direction of the market. I've shared my screen so you guys can see my screen. Identify the trend of the market. Is the market an uptrend? Is the market a downtrend? Or is the market a ranging market? Now, when I say an uptrend, that means the market is going up, and when I say the market is a downtrend, that means the market is having a series of lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. It's going down. Now, so first of all, identify the trend of the market. Let me draw something so you guys, before we come into the chat, let me draw something so you guys really do understand me. So this is an example of an uptrend, right? This is an example of an uptrend. You can see it goes up, goes down a bit, goes down, goes up a bit. Now, what are we seeing here? We are seeing series of what? Lower high, LH, right? Series of lower high, a higher high. That's HH, right? HH, right? Another series of lower high, HH, that's higher high. That means the market is going up, right? But we are having retracements to a certain key level. I'll teach you guys how to draw key levels soon. So this is a lower high, higher high, the market goes down again, goes up again, goes down again, goes up again, goes down again, goes up again. But the direction of the market is clear. It's going up. The direction of the market is going up. So as a trader, when you come into the market, only be looking for buying opportunities. Don't sell in a market as this unless you are scalping. Even that, I don't even encourage people to scalp in an uptrend market. Always make sure you enter the market. You look for, first of all, you look for buying opportunities. So what you have to do is to wait for the market to come to a level of a lower high level, a lower high level, a lower high level. So this will be your entry triggers, right? This is where you'll be looking to enter the market. If the market comes here, you go for a long, you take your profit here, you wait for a pullback to this side, you enter the market back again. Like you keep on repeating. For example, we have this pair, GBP USD. It has been in an uptrend for a long time. So first of all, you can do something like this, right? You can zoom out, right, and know the direction of the market. Now, what's the direction of the market? You can use an arrow, right, to see. It's something like this. Without even drawing trend line, you can put an arrow like this. It gives you the vibe that the market is going what? Up, right? So what do? We only look for what? Our lower highs and our higher highs. So we saw a lower high here, right? Quickly, let me be quick. You saw a lower high here, a lower high here, a lower high here. The market is going up, a higher high somewhere here, a higher high somewhere here. The market came down again, a lower high, went up, the market came down, went up, came down. So if you are going to trade GBP USD today, you know that the market is what? Having a lower high. So you would be looking for what? Buying opportunities here. You can go for a long here at this level, go for a long here at this level, and let me put it this way. You can go for a long here, take your profit somewhere here, because the market is what? In an uptrend. It's very, very simple. So whenever you see an uptrend market, always be looking for buying opportunities. Same thing as when you come into the market and you see the market behaving this way, right? The market behaving this way. That means the market is what? In a downtrend, right? So downtrend, we are looking at series of lower low, LL, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, right? Very, very simple. You haven't used any indicator, you haven't drawn any trend line, but you know the direction of the market, right? And that can help you identify some key levels before you look for your entries, right? Don't enter the market. For example, if the market is in a downtrend, you have to put your arrow something like this, right? That should indicate to you that the market is going down, right? So the entries that you'll be looking for is only sell. When the market is in a downtrend, always be looking for sells, 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 right? So how do you look for sales? You never want to enter the market at a lower low position, right? Always enter the market when it goes up, then you short it. You take your profit here, wait for pullback, short it again, take your profit here, wait for pullback to a lower high level, short it again. You will just be making profit that way. For example, let me show you an example on this pair. It's an indices pair, right? We have trading view binary. So those who trade indices, we are going to talk about step index, right? I saw something on step index 1D. Now here we go. Now you can see a series, you can see a clear downtrend here on this market, right? You can see a clear downtrend on this market. I know a lot of people will be going for a buy, and I will be going for a short. Why? because the market is giving me the downtrend vibe. It has given me what? A lower high, a lower low. The market went up again, the market went down again, the market went up again, the market went down again. It's gone up. So this is what? A series of a lower high. It will go for what? A lower low. I think so, it will go for a lower low. Now, if the market, you guys have been seeing a lot of fake outs in chat and stuff. If the market, let me put it this way, right? If the market would, if let's say you enter a trade, right, and the market just goes for a sell, this was your entry trigger, right? You enter the market and the market goes for a sell, a straight sell, right? Everyone would be making the money. If the market is that way, that you enter the market, it goes for a straight sell, it doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, it doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, everyone would have been making money. The market has to go up, though the trend is down, right? But the market has to go up, go down, go up a bit, consolidate, go down a bit, consolidate, go down, but the direction is what? A sell. That's why many people get faked out of trades. For example, you can see this was what? A buy. This was a clear buy. You can see the direction of this is a buy, but you could see there was a bit of a sell, right? There was a bit of a sell. So anyone who would go for a sell here has been faked out. We call it fake out. You've been faked out. You thought the market was going for a sell, but the direction is a buy. You got faked out and the market went for a buy. Anyone going for a sell here, you could see another fake out here, right? So if you are going for a sell here, you see a buy, you decide to chase the market, you get faked out, the market goes for a sell, your entry will be a buy, but the market has faked you out for a sell, right? Same thing here, the market is giving you the sell vibe. You can see the direction is a sell, the whole direction is a sell, but the market is giving you series of fake outs, a fake out buy. So you go for a buy, you get faked out, the market will go for a sell. So it's good to identify the direction of the market. Same thing here, the market is a downtrend, right? Series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high. But you can see this is giving us another fake out currently. So many people will be going for a long position and the market will fake them out and come somewhere here. This is how to identify fake out. The market doesn't go down like straight. It doesn't go down. It has to go up, go down, but the direction is clear. So it's good to identify the direction of a market, else you would be faked out, right? Else you would be faked out. You get it? So let's look at another example. Now, let me talk about some few rules in trading, right? Rules in trading. Before we continue, let me talk about some few rules in trading. Phases of trade. Let me put it that way. Phases of trading, right? Now, whenever you are trading and you see a market as this, right? A market as this, right? What do you do? Whenever you see a market as this, going down, what do you do? Now, never sell in a market as this. When you see a market going for a downtrend, the direction is clear, right? The direction is clear. The market is going for a downtrend, but what do we see? We see series of downtrends. We see series of what? Lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. You don't sell in a lower low. You have to wait for the market to go up, right? And you sell here and wait for the market to go down again, and you make profits, right? Same thing applies to this. Same thing applies to this, right? Same thing applies to this. Never buy in a market as this, right? Never buy in a market. Why am I saying this? Uptrend, we know that the direction of the market is what? An uptrend, right? So what are we looking for? You're looking for series of what? Higher highs, HH, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. When the market is in a higher high, you just have to be patient, wait for the market to come towards a higher low somewhere here, then you buy the market or you long the market and get all the vibes in the market, right? So first of all, you need to identify the direction of the market, not just the direction of the market, but be able to also identify fake outs in the market. Some markets will do fake you out a lot. For example, let's look at this chart, US 30. Now, this is one of my favorite pairs. US 30 has been in an uptrend since, right? And you can see, yes, it has been in an uptrend since. And I haven't been doing anything. I've just been catching the trend, following the trend, because it has been in an uptrend series of what? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It keeps on repeating. So I just make sure that I buy when the market goes to a higher low, and I saw when the market goes to a higher high. I keep on repeating. That's why you see me catching all these pips here, right? Catching all these pips, get a higher low, get a higher high, wait for the market to consolidate a bit, get a higher low, get a higher high. And yesterday I posted a signal on my Telegram page, and this is how we got it. We got it because I felt that the market has been consolidating. It's time for a higher low. Maybe it can pull back to a higher, another series of higher high, and the trend will keep on continuing. So if you know this, if you know how to identify the trend in the market, it's very, very, very important. So guys, let me know your questions in the comment section, so that I can get questions from you guys to also use the questions to upload in the next and the subsequent videos. You know the vibes. Don't do more, don't do less. And yes, guys, if you are trading Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, right? If you are trading cryptocurrencies, and I know most people ask, does this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, does it work on cryptocurrencies? No, it doesn't work on cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, we have a different way of predicting price action trades. When you come into my academy, you will be taught well. Now we have something we call distribution, right? The market will distribute here, the market will decline here, the market will accumulate here, and the market will advance here. So distribution, declination, accumulating, and advancing, that's what we use on cryptocurrencies. That's what we use to trade cryptocurrencies, right? We wait for the market to distribute, the market to decline. That means that we only buy dips, right? Buy at low, sell at high. So that's the whole thing we do on cryptocurrencies. But on forex or on indices, it's much different, a bit different, right? You just get the trend of the market. Okay, there's the trend of the market. The market is giving you an uptrend vibe. Series of what? Series of lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. You can be expecting a pullback here. Don't buy this market when the market is here, because you can have a pullback to this direction or this side, and before the market rallies up, it could be something like this, right? It could be something like this, right? It could be something like this before we have a big trend. So just know what you are doing in the market, right? Pure price action, naked eye strategy is what I teach, is what I do. So if you want to join my academy too, you can hit me up on Instagram. You can see it on your screen and have all the vibes. Thanks for watching, and watch out for the next videos. You know the vibes. See ya.